Riland air plasma cutting machine, CØT 40CT. This is a portable machine, small value, lightweight, easy to carry. The weight is only 7 kg. CØT 40CT greatly improved the success rate of RIệNG because of the full-bridge MOSFET inverter technology. The maximum current of the machine reaches 40 ampere and can meet the cutting requirements of 10 mm thickness carbon steel. Next is the panel introduction. There are two knobs. Pulse gas adjustable is on the left, and the right is for current adjustable. Application configuration. Suitable for steel erection, pad, fabrication, shipbuilding, foundries, mild steel, stainless steel, alloy steel.